Disruptively simple. Simply revolutionary. The world of product design has just been redesigned. Introducing ANSYS Discovery, simulation technology specifically built for the design engineer. Uniquely built to develop concepts fit for their purpose. Early design concepts that come with directional guidance, validation, and proof of performance. Highly interactive in nature, the Discovery environment supports full 3D editing. Discovery works with all common physics types and simulation applications. Quickly make multiple changes and instantly know the performance impact. Instantly validate your concepts without waiting for geometry modifications, meshing, or solving. Choose higher fidelity, high accuracy studies to carefully refine the best of your ideas. Designers can now iterate, refine, and interactively explore the impacts of hundreds of design options in a fraction of the time previously required, saving time in the development process and resulting in better products. Make a geometry change. Discovery instantly begins recomputing the results without starting over. Refine an idea, validate a concept, rapidly change direction, and receive guidance. Explore several possible design directions never before considered. Follow and test a specific design path more thoroughly, more confidently. Perhaps best of all, the Discovery family of products is simple to learn and easy to use, bringing new and exciting insights to every designer. As quickly as designers can generate questions, Discovery tools can provide the answers. This is the promise of rapid design exploration made simple. Because every engineer deserves the power of discovery.